Hey, it's Leah Rae from TimeOnLeahRae.com. In this video, I'm going to show you the very best app that's going to pay you real money, even passive income, for taking pictures with your phone. Taking pictures. It is awesome. Now, there's a lot of these types of sites out there. This is probably one of the very best paying ones, so it's important. Make sure you stick around for the whole thing so we can get you all of the details, help you create passive income that's going to serve you for years to come. So what is the app? It's called Snapwire. And if we look in Google Play, it actually has some really great reviews. It has a ton of folks, over 2,000 reviews that's received in Google Play, and it has a 4.0 stars. So that's pretty decent. So what are people saying about it? Well, frankly, that it's the best app I've seen so far for submitting your photos for money. Another person says that it's a good application that makes me active and it challenges me to the new things that I can learn and explore. Thank you to the Snapwire team. Now, they do pay better than most of the apps and things that you're gonna find out there. So it is set up really nice for you as the potential photographer with your cell phone, or maybe you have a nice camera, use it, that's great, but you know, today's cell phones are amazing cameras. But by taking great photos, uploading them to their site, then you can start making money when those photos sell. So let's look at a little more detail on what's all involved here. So this is their main website, snapwire.re. So they like split up the wire. I guess .com wasn't available, but that works. It's still fine. So how do you get started? Well, there's actually basically two ways that you can start earning through them. The first is that when people have a specific request, they create a creative brief and they say what they want. You can actually look through those briefs and go take the photos that fit that brief and then submit those. On top of that, you could just build up a portfolio of work where you just have a bunch of great photos that can make it to their marketplace and people can just purchase right from there. If we scroll down to payouts, if you are familiar with this industry, this may be a little bit easier for you to understand, but this is better than you're gonna find on most sites or apps by far. So for any of those challenges that you submitted photos for, if they choose your photo, if that's the photo they wanna go with and they pay for it, guess what? You earn 100% of that. They're not gonna take any cut of that. That's awesome. Now, if the purchase is coming through a subscription where they pay for a whole subscription stuff, then you're gonna get 50%, which is still good. So if you look at these monthly plans, $6.45 USD per download, $3.98 USD per download, $3.49. This is honestly a lot better than most sites. Oftentimes what you're actually seeing on other applications and sites, like 17 cents per photo and stuff, it's like nothing. So this is much, much better. Now, obviously you're not gonna become a millionaire with this overnight. Absolutely not. But that's okay. It's still a way to create passive income. And if you love taking great photos, if photography is sort of a hobby of yours, why not do this? Why not submit your photos and get paid for them and build up an income stream? Because guess what? It's not that that photo is going to sell one time. That same photo might sell, 50 times this year and every year afterwards. Who knows? Now, if you love the idea of passive income, guess what? You want to click the top link in our description. We're going to teach you how to do that online and to get into the bigger commissions area, not just what you're looking at here, but getting to high-end commissions, building up a solid full-time income online as soon as possible. So grab access, top link in the description, click on that as this video ends. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to our channel, guess what? If this is the first time seeing my face, hit the subscribe. Subscribe, click the bells so that I can help you create time freedom. Again, this is Leah Rae from TimeOnLeahRae.com. There's another video right up here. Head over to that one next, and I'll see you soon.